Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing another wig making. So in today's video, this is the hair we're going to be working with. It came in 3 bundles and a matching closure. The hair is from Beauty with Beauty. That's the name of the company, Beauty with Beauty. It came in the length 18. Each of them is 18, and then a matching closure of 14 inches. So this is it. This is what we'll be working with. And please guys, if you like my content, like my videos, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you get notified each time I post a video. First of all, what I do, I place my wig. I like to see this line dividing these two places as the middle of the dummy cap. So I'm going to place the middle of my closure right on top of the middle of this cap on this line here, and then I'm going to pin it down. And when that is done, you're going to turn it to the other side, and then you're going to pick it up this way. Place your hand in the middle of the closure and then drop it here. And then pin it down. So when that is done, take it back to the front. And while you're placing this middle part down, you're going to make sure that it comes past the line of the dummy cap. The baby hairline comes past the line of the dummy cap. So now it's time to place the end of the closure wig. You're going to place it at the temple of the wig cap. And then you're going to do the same for this side. So make sure it's very flat, but not so much that you're going to tear the closure. And when you're done, you turn it back again. So you're going to make the sides flat. Pin it down. You repeat the same for this other side. So this is it. So this is how it's looking now. It's very flat down. Not to worry here, when you sew it, it will be flat. So this is how your closure should look before you begin sewing it down. So this is how it should look like.
It is where I find my strength. Hey, somebody say Baba, Baba. Somebody say Baba, Baba. Somebody say Igwe, Igwe. Somebody say Igwe, Igwe. Somebody say Baba, 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 Baba. Happy SEO, Hosanna, oh.
I've done from here to this place. Now I'm going to do from here to here, and I'll come back to show you the finished result. So it's just basically the same thing what I did from here. It's just basically the same thing what I did from here to here and to here. It's the same thing I'm going to do from here to here and then to here. So first of all, you're going to put your needle through the weft like so, and then through your neck. So this is a third bundle. To join it to this one is just to, you're going to put your needle through the weft of the last one and then through the weft of the next bundle, like so. Then you roll a thread over them, and then you pull.
Jerusalem is my home. It's my home. It's my home. It's my home. Yeah.
My charger is just messing me up this morning. It has refused to charge my battery today, and I have to deliver this week today. So I might not finish it on camera because my battery is very low, so I'll just take it to work and finish it up there, because I'm going to apply heat to it. I'm going to blow dry it and make it all nice and presentable for the owner. So I might not be able to capture that on camera since my battery is very low. So guys, I'm through with the hair finally. So I think I'm going to show you the final results, the picture, because I can't stretch right now. I can't blow dry. I'm really late for work. I need to get ready for work and I have to go to work. And also my battery is really low, so I can't finish it off right now. So I'm just going to show you the picture of it when I'm done. So this is it. So this is how the finish looks like.